my name is Bing Yu, and I'm a mobile architect for MediaTek's Computing and AI Technology Group. And I'm going to share with you today is the MediaTek's approach for edge intelligence. And I'm going to introduce our product position first, and followed by our approach, which is P90, and followed by the little bit introduction of our accelerators feature and architecture, and followed by our toolchain, which is very important, called NeuroPilot and the platform-aware ML kit. And before I go into the product position, I just want to give some personal opinion, because it is much easier if you have a product line and you apply the AI technology to your product line, rather than develop your AI technology and try to get in a product position. So maybe I'm biased, I'm from MediaTek, because we have a great product positions. And for the future phone and optical disk drive, it's a legacy product, we're holding #1 position. And for digital TV, we're also holding #1 and dominant positions. And for the mobile computing segment and smartphone, we're #2 worldwide, and the Android tablet, we're #1. And for the voice-activated device in the connectivity, network connectivity product line, we enjoy the highest growth in today's market, and we're holding, both of them, we're holding #1 market positions.